My name is Dr. Nehemiah Mabry. I am a structural engineer and educator. Bridges are designed from the top down, but they're built from the ground up. And so we as engineers began to think how much load or what type of weight does this bridge need to carry. When you look at how can we put this man-made structure in this place, but yet at the same time preserve the natural beauty, the suspension bridges, and even more so the cable stayed bridges becomes an attractive option. Not to mention it just looks cool.
The world's most remarkable structures. How did they build that on Smithsonian Channel?
This is Las Vegas. I mean, you have to build something that gets attention, and your building is your billboard. So what we have here is a 2-span concrete bridge. It's going over a 4-lane highway, and we're gonna take a look and see what we can find during our inspection. If you look over at the bridge deck, in the eastbound lane, we have a number of longitudinal, transverse, and diagonal cracks. What we would do is quantify the total square feet of cracks here on the deck, and then we would note that.
For instance, you can harness the sun's energy sustainably, not to hoard it. Because solar cells, but we need your help to afford it. And virtually we are in need of help with VR. It's powerful. Revolutionizing training and gaming with you is possible. Wouldn't it be cool if our buildings and bridges had nervous systems like we do? Now stay with me. Let's get a team of EEs to design the PZ electrics to detect when the crack creeps, the data speaks, and we collect it. Send it back to the CS brains and let them see just how bad it is with analysis and FFT. The lessons that these young people have are nice, very compact and easy to understand. It gives them an opportunity to apply their ingenuity and their problem-solving skills to real-world scenarios.
I hope you'll join me in supporting the children of St. Jude.
I walk into the room. Good morning, professor. Top of the morning. Oh, those shoes. I sit down. He passes out the test. Put a face down. Don't start. I tell you to go is what he says to us. All right, you got about an hour. Go ahead and flip over your test. I flip over my. Like, was I in the right class? I understood who was around me, but I didn't recognize a single thing on that exam. So it's kind of like that with wordplay, right? Once you begin to kind of break it down, it loses some of the punch.